Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Brendan Kutschbach, coming at you from my apartment balcony. So today I want to talk to you about why a social media marketing agency is a great business model and why you should do it. And also, what is a social media marketing agency? So a social media marketing agency is a B2B business, right? So you are a business that goes to other businesses and you try to promote their business via social media. So that means that you're going to run Facebook ads for them. That means that you're going to optimize their website for them, or you're going to do Google PPC ads where you pay, that way their website shows up the kind of the top search results for Google for certain keywords. You do search engine optimization, so that way they organically rank. You do content creation on all their social media platforms, trying to bring them to websites to convert them to, make sales. So basically, you advocate for a business on the digital aspect, and everything that you're doing is trying to get more customers to their business. Now, the reason why social media marketing agencies are kind of taken off everywhere is because we are moving into a digital age. Everything is just going digital now, and because everything's going digital, there's a lot of businesses that need help going digital. A lot of business owners are in their 40s and 50s, and they honestly have no idea how to build a website, or if they do have a website, it's just kind of like a brochure, and it doesn't really have a way to capture an email. Oh, that's another thing that you do email captures. But it's a great business model because in order to start a social media marketing agency, it involves no upfront capital. I mean, nothing. If you have a smartphone and a laptop and a work ethic, you are armed and ready to go. And of course, you do need the skills, and you can learn the skills off of YouTube or from courses. But the other great part about a social media marketing agency is that it takes little time. Once you get businesses, signed up underneath your services and you're doing everything, a lot of what you do can be automated. And because it can be automated, it just frees up your day. And also, how much can you charge for these services? It really depends, but it's not uncommon to have businesses pay you anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Seriously, it just really, really depends on what you do. So tomorrow's Monday, today's Sunday, I'm going to go meet with a plastic surgeon, and I'm going to try to sign him on a $3,000 service. And if he signs, this is what I'll be doing for him. First and foremost, I'll optimize his website because it's not the greatest. I will run Facebook ads for him because he's not running Facebook ads. And I will probably also do a little bit of Google PPC, and that's what I'm going to try to sell him on, or SEO. Probably just SEO, honestly. But we're in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We don't have many plastic surgeons here, so there isn't too much competition for this guy. But the great part is I can make him stand out from the other plastic surgeons by doing social media marketing for him, because no one else is doing it. So just keep that in mind. I mean, if you want to know more about social media marketing, any specific questions, just leave comments below, and I will make more videos on anything that I can clarify. If you want to know how to legally set up a business and a tax structure for this stuff, let me know. I can make a video on that. If you want to know more about Facebook ads, to where I can dive in depth to show you how you can open up a Facebook Business Manager's account and how you can start running ads. Oh, which, by the way, let me talk about Facebook ads for a quick second. The reason why social media marketing agencies are starting to take off is because these agencies work way better than any other type of advertisement. So a good example would be like TV commercials, right? That used to be the main way that you would advertise. Not anymore. TV commercials still work, but social media ads work a lot better. And the reason why is it can be hyper-targeted. I mean, let me put it this way. Let's say for this plastic surgeon, this is exactly what I'm going to tell him when I meet with him tomorrow. I'm going to create a funnel, and basically what that is it's a landing page. Okay, so people are going to see an ad of like a before and an after picture of a surgery that he has done. Right, they're going to see a before picture of where this guy, part of the guy's body was kind of screwed up, and then an after picture of the work that he did. And there's going to be an offer, right? An enticing offer. Let's just say we agree that we're going to do 30% discount. People are going to click on that ad, and it's going to take them to a landing page. When they go to that landing page, there's something on that landing page called a Google or a Facebook pixel, and it tracks them, right? So now when they leave, I can retarget those people with ads and more ads and more ads and keep them in this circle, and I can just keep bringing them back. I then based off of all the traffic that goes to that website, I can then run a secondary ad and create a lookalike audience and expand the people that I advertise to within the city that are going to be interested in the same stuff. It's truly nuts. I mean, privacy is dead when it comes to Facebook. Whenever I decide to just do cold targeting on Facebook, which basically just means that I just put an interest that I think are gonna work. I can just go on Facebook and I can be like, okay, I want somebody who's interested in cosmetic surgery, who lives in Albuquerque, New Mexico, because that's where me and the business is. I want people who are interested in, let's just say, breast reconstruction surgery. Yeah, I can put all that stuff in, and Facebook will find people just like that and target them with ads. And then once they land on that landing page, we got them forever and ever and ever, and we can just keep hitting them up with ads. And going through the funnel is even a great part, because in order to get the 30% coupon for the surgery, they have to enter their email, and then once we have their email, then we really got them for life. So again, I'm completely new to YouTube. If you have questions about any of this stuff, please, seriously, put stuff in the comments below, and I will make a video on it, and I will answer every single comment in the comment section right now. Yeah, but other than that, make sure that you please leave a like, a comment, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thanks.